Hello, welcome to a new repair odyssey. We have an interesting cat phone. It's a Cat S42, which customers have, if it turns on, it always constantly reboots. Nothing special happens, so get rid of this sticker. So we have to open up and see what the problem is, and yeah. Let's just get a screwdriver. I see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 screws around, so H.9. If we can turn it on. Drives which are inside this plastic, and yeah, you can turn it around. It doesn't open because that whole plastic is broken. So you can turn until you get mad, as long as nobody on the other side holds against. So let's take that screw out. We can kind of, ooh, what's that? Botched up screw. Was really tight. Strange phone. Let's have a look around. We see anything? We see corrosion here. Water came into this screw. That looks clean. Also some light corrosion here. Don't know if you can see that. Good. One is also broken. I think we just leave them in there if we put it back together, but I don't know. And here we have a lot of corrosion. I don't know where this is coming from, but it's coming from the screw. We have a lot of markings, maybe from the charging dock. See that? Try to mangle inside the charging dock. We haven't drilled with the charging dock, we've been here or here. So someone tried to do stuff. Someone who didn't know what to do. So that's a major corrosion here. Charging port. Maybe one of our major issues. A lot of corrosion here. A battery. That here. Also here we have corrosion everywhere. Here at this bottom. Hello. That's not the power button, is it? Corrosion here. So that's far away from. Customer said or mentioned that he did wash after work his phone every day on the water, so I don't know why you're washing your phone. Not a good idea, as we can see. So, okay, let's get further. We need some more light. Screwdriver. The screwdriver is gone. Okay. As you can see here, warranty sticker. Never has been opened up before. Well, this level. Cover. Board looks quite okay from far. Get rid of the charging dock. All of the screws here, half of those, as you can see, are corroded. And they're leading a path to inside, so yeah, I don't know what to say. I mean, it's kind of a closed area, but yeah, I don't know. That one is corroded to hell. Will not open without force. So, next problem. Can't get inside because everything is corroded to death. Another interesting thing here is, why is there a screw below? You can see a screw, but it looks like it's not in the right place. Here. I don't think that the screw belongs here. Maybe someone already did something here. It was behind. This screw, I think, should be on top here, not on the bottom. So someone has been lazy here. I mean, I can be wrong, but I don't think so. What's the point of that hole if the screw is down there? This one is, yeah, kind of broken. If we can use power, most of the time that works. Not always. I love it. Okay, not pressure. Come on. Boy. That's already loose. And go deeper. Can we? To break. Oh. Okay. Funny thing. Looks like this is okay as it is. Interesting. As you can see on the foam, it doesn't look like it has been opened, so. But the charging port is not our friend, so I think we're gonna disconnect that. Maybe the problem disappears. Try again. Unplugging the battery. Plugging it back. Now turn it on. Oh. Dead. No power without charging port. I think the battery is just empty. See if this is a familiar connector. .1, not enough. Need at least 3.85. So we have to kind of try to charge it. if we have something to charge. Oh, look at that. Almost big. Here, anything? Nope. Horse makes their own soup. Just give me a second. Could fit. Could fit. We connect that. But really, we have to take out the battery. Can we get out the battery? Yes. No, doesn't fit, so no charger for this battery. Great. Okay, turn it on. I mean, we could be able to turn it on if we solder some stuff here, but let's try something other easy. Maybe we can clean the charging port without. Maybe it works. Sometimes cleaning can do some magic. Well, magic. It's some ugly corrosion here. Looks really nasty. One way would be to get a battery, but if we order a battery and it's not full, so maybe we could get a complete replacement port. All very ugly here. Nice. Okay. The stop connector does not look nice. Well, we'll just try. We have a short. We don't have a short. We were kind of charging, but not fast charging because of a bad connection. I don't know. Okay. Good. Put this back. I know it's looking bad. What's it is? Then we're gonna connect the battery. And try to charge it. 0.5. Or not much. Bad connection. Oh. And 5. I mean, the battery is very low. What does it say? Let's try a different charger cable. Good anchor. Getting hot. Not really. Mostly cold. Sorry. Oh. 1 amp. It's better. Red dot. But with 1 amp, I'm sure there's something happening. See if we can get some fast charge. I mean, with no, surely not. Point 1. Was that battery not connected properly? Am I stupid? Let's do this again. 0.6. Zip. 1 amp. Well, if it's charging at 1 amp, then that will be okay. As long as we can change the battery. Charge. And if the battery is charged, then be bet. Here we have a test point. I can feel it getting warm. $620. Jumping a bit around. Okay. Plus, it's interesting, we had a lot of description here where what is ground and TC. That's nice. E 500 G minus plus 1.4, I don't know what it is. B bus 4.5. That's cool. 3.7. And as you can see, we're climbing. So right now we're charging at 1.3 amps. That looks promising, but it doesn't mean that the device turns on. I also take the board out here. A good temperature, it's pretty cool. 1.44 amps, 5 volts, 5.2 volts. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it for a charge. Maybe not today, but because it's, for me, time to go home. It's, what is it? 6:30. 6:30. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for charge and I'll come back and we're gonna continue the video, and that's it. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Hello, welcome back. Next day. We have charged the device. I don't know how long it's been there, 4.5 hours. See how fast it did charge with 1.5 or 1.4 amps. So yeah, let's disconnect or connect everything. Just like to, don't want the battery to fly around, so place it back like this. Okay, connect, click. Okay, let's press this and try to turn it on. Okay, we're turned on. Let's see if the device boots and if touch works and so whatever goes on. But the main board looks in good condition. I haven't looked on the back side, but as I said, it's just a data recovery. Customer doesn't want to repair it. It has already a new phone, so just data. Booting. I don't know if you get parts of this, but well, water damage is always risky for repairing. You never know if there will be something. Okay, see that? We booted and doesn't restart. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's check something else. Let's see if we can get it to connect to the computer so we can pull off the data. Come on, push that inside. Let's put that back cover back on. That nut, maybe 1 or 2 screws. Just 1 or 2 screws. It doesn't fall apart. Zip. And here on the upside, on the upper side, put that back and doesn't have to be. Okay, power button does not work because we need some pressure on this side. Pins for the power button are behind the board, so we need some pressure. And now it does it. Okay, let's see if we can connect it to a computer. It was a fairly simple job. Yes, I heard a dong, so it was a data recovery simple for CAT S42. Thank you for watching. See you next time.